going forward, you know, Omana make us say.
Says Yato Abama. So he's going to lead.
Oh, he's going to lead. This that SNC. When you are there, Chia, over Sababi. And your mind, a Joseph Wakasa. Namde da make can say MPP4 and share results no munye so muye ni monimi ya nenye.
Good. But one thing is also clear. Results if NDC had contested, Kadio Minya results.
Oh, it's true.
Konya.
It's true, o mine.
And no am saying Sambia Numre no say NDC say getting closer to the December. If Adiomi is so stronger, they will pull their candidate
and support him.
Whether or not
MPP money nuru.
Because they see how him Kwabena Boakye. No money Joseph nyina le ni sao.
There be.
They see obedi o mani mama o mehu no. Oni omo nkomodie aprobo bebo. Akwan na omo ye ni sesia no.
Some beto aso.
So beto aso ana so mbejaguo e na kwan no enye by election ti no omo ye.
Na kuma wudi no mo. Kuma wudi na no mo ye ba omo ye ni
na ye omo ye kra wi.
Omo wi o.
Ti enye noa. But ono amu ne ejosofo no
the
rapport gitawudie na nanoma trankunya ahewafo okom na ase anopa me ka asem bi se ye wo nkro bi o mo to aba madu mi pa abibi hwe ye no man fo man koto tankru web
oh
esi
o ma me die
asante ye wo bi o no mo a ekro bi te se kwa aso se wo mo to aba papa besia se ho no
ni krom ho no
e do nyina nom ne ye wo ba bi ho no ma vote no ba na PPD ya machine say
as every vote that region
as I get to south vote them well yeah it's all no but ya machi wo it goes to show say those people had faith in Adiomi one win it I was saying MPP timi ko ji sa votes no
oh my
because me ni masante ya wo
my no MPP for Adiomi be kasa that one is non negotiable omoni muntu event say Adiomi ankasa now baba ye
kasa obetie
enti Adiomi Ghana high we oni farefo bia wa ha oni farefo fi say Ghana wono sabi 64 65 years oni farefo Ghana ha enti MPP fo ntimi go show my so
ala ne farefo
say o majan ala say o majan so
na ne farefo nyina ne je
o majan ba Adiomi die
ana ne mu nyina
they have to o my me say Adiomi die no Adiomi die e warning a yellow card omuhwe na red na mantimi se omoni ne nkasa they should swallow everything no omoni Adiomi nkwatena se e dey na Adiomi wo pe e dey na Adiomi
they will reconcile with Adiomi
of course e dey na Adiomi hia Adiomi dey wo dey no hia
say on ba reconcile no ye wo bi wo ho a e bia epanifo no ne ka o but your local boys bia
oh eno say Adiomi no machia eno say Adiomi no machia e na dey Adiomi pe bia Adiomi pe bia no
ye wo bu on man epanifo no a pair reconciliation but grounds for
I say you know
you want I say somebody Adiomi saba and your mumbe campaign no unim say every man yet
Adiomi no Adiomi o man enye say bia Adiomi kwa kwa flag running offense MPCU
the make county see a parliamentary candidate for 2024 is known Kwabena Nanabia ka ha say
yento
baby omo candidate no for 2024 but they may can say you only probably wo hono ma ho say Adiomi yi ni ti kura say obe contest omo no just omo ni omo ti o say na be say the ohun say the people of Ejuso mom and omo ni nku omo ho because within the party no the Oyo police station executive yi ni di free mo no oye peeved oye aggrieved electoral area coordinator in free mo ya grift sankrofo no bebre ekota Adiomi chi quietly enti e was so reconcile sankrofo no kransa na Adiomi aye arrowhead because if you don't do that Adiomi is one person so ultimately sankrofo no kasa wi a ye obi o anya Adiomi o ono ane bo afu anya Adiomi enti aba no kra wanto. Are you getting me?
Oh,
so get your police station people. Now album no after this election. Omo enye album for front to aba. Now the one winning on the Kumartonium. because album e wo ho sisi so almost yes 2028 2026
yemfa no anko
wo de kwa to aba ko yi parliamentary ni polling station for
the same problem will come back.
The same problem exists omo bu ofu no adwobre no omo huru se ekwan e wo manim omo nkamom na mom e wo se party no signa yes they will do a new album start from fresh omo nkoto aba electoral area coordinators konyanto so aba na pampani na odi manim no mo flag bearer no yeto no so aba it's the issue of yesi John Kuma Brian to aba ya to aba
na homachi
why da see to na homachi and ya to no dasuo ma na awia it is material now kwabra boatin enhwe se obeye a genuine album se kwabra a genuine album a oba win it obi oba be contest ni oba win it because now no one will be opportunity ama wotimi akoma wa lusu wa win it ni bufu but chinchimsa ni sa de ne de obi apre o
my chinchimsa no de bebo ma chinchimsa na twa se omo expand the electoral college no nipa 677 extra nipa be 50 nipa kwato dwe so abaye 116,000 MPP phone be 90,000 po a 90,000 mu be se 20,000 so mutimi 20 ni so aba enye pepes na tete ama fokoto aba
omo expanding no
I
remember bia
of course now go to number ebasa MP no omoto so aba na edu say yekoto parliamentary elections na obenya mo amafo na ede oba but
siketia no kra to
ene na ham man for my mesi aboro mo koto en siketia delegate enya 3,000 4,000 5,000 no
chese no
si amamfo ankasa
se okopie ba bi pa na se o de hese community ewom na election aba na delegate akonya 5,000 obo otimi nya 10,000 na enwumre no waje club na oyiwahi na enwumre no ebia wanye careful kra no de joge say sika no obetimi de ajoge wo
ya
ko kasaba no huntima di na chi eno sa no sa me
nipa no me MPP na wo de okoyi
oh de akoye no
na ade ba ku say o man abato na ajusufu opinanti asio because one no makoto jonkuma so aba am wafrim na o mo say koto aba say o mo koyi primaries no enti na we kura no o mo fo say ato yi koma boys na da
bebre fi say
information bi o na head and go ground
o man say da nye kasa chere bebre say yeto aba o
debi
ye wo ma me fo penifo bebre
o mo so yato eba
no mo so yato aba na wie yi abranche so onko jina bra shebeje no nim so to aba no so a lot of people did not vote
another thing
but December NDC be standing any independent candidate will not fly but Ediomi has told them say omo adwuma
NDC forecast on for a PCB anchor this by election na you move into Omasi, but it was very strategic.
I almost supported you.
No, papa.
There was alleged say no more chinko.
There were reports. Say they were bringing because Zungo committee na war or just wanna do me has substantial votes.
And I was today.
Papa.
Name your opposition. Not say independent candidate from the same party. A unity. MPP for Uncle Supporto Kumbungu. I'm a PNC niawe. Now ni ho now dey you be afena musu say MDC for the search mama me roya kwaba mama me roya kwaba e wi e be commercial and sponsor for the holiday time for more to say
yakopon adom pa o man
dey be aboko
ya hihye bi
my nti wa no pay
o man me da CP ene akwanya ne bra wo de ama me anope de be chahwefo ene atiefo nyina ama obibia akwaba e de aba Sompa TV so ebusuafo ebre so say na time ye gi adwano ana ya pomuden enkomodie ebre na adru so a ye de ebre mo esanse ne ye hwe ye nuane a ye die ye nsua ye nom ye mfama ye hom nyina ebobo e de yade ebre ni padua ne senti na dada time here for ye gibre ye ba TV so ko radio so ba pomuden ho dawro e de kiro se be ya ubenya adu papa nso kra asanom na aboasiesie ni padua no e de ama wo time here for kofa eduro akase mienu dia badwa so na eduro ni de nkan no e time here ba mecha me do for time no e malaria fever duro me so anopaisa o hye me ana utie me na malaria abesue ni padua ne so eja wuti paye eja wawo eja wanumutuo eja wani subidie eja wa hohye a edro no eye time wonya bi na onom a ebebo papa malaria sunsuanso bia no obetu na se e de free ho eno achi ne the time herbal mixture ene ne capsules enso abedwa so edro we eye immune booster wonya bi no ma ebo pa ma wonkomo woni padua mu no no kwasem ni se omo hoden no ACPC tapapa eno achi kura no ba sabi pampan bone agye wa himfie aboso ensawansawa agye wo ba so aboso sabi wa himfie no eya na eho ekekaw ensuo basa bi efifra himfie ho na eba wo ba watinka ateko woni bema edampemu a wontumi enya ni je bi amfa ma bema sana bema wo nsuso ensa agye bema ho nyina afa wo ho na wo bema no emu kekaw emu ehyehew anampo so bema no fon a na efon bema sisi ade abegye wo bema aboso ana wo sisi aboso enu tu twu ho ba bia enyeye wodi boni asisi ana wagye mu time echeche ba mecha and then the capsules no and no na make for ediama wo ebebo papa ebebo siesie ni pedua no amani pedua na kwa no baby bia aye adwuma kama ye number edidi dwuma no aye 0244
0244 41
76
69
0244 41 76 69 abusia time ye number eno no o share screen so nso a eguase kama obetumi afa pen ne paper na watro na wafre Dr. Penino wachechro ha mu nyina akire no ene ye di nkomo simape afa time heba mecha ho me do for time heba mecha bi bodin no wa wo fie wutimu se dro no papa no ena meka ho asem no time heba mecha malaria fever dro me do for malaria de nyina enim se aboantontom ena de sa ya de kodie woi wodi bre ni padua na no kwasem ni se abontontom bomodin beka wo se wiwa no kure ne yeso beka wa na wafa ne ho adi anase wafa ho adi no kure ne nyame anim ni aboyi bomodin beka wa ensunsuanso a wodi bre ni padua ana wo puna no bro no adugu ni padua ni mu afo wo ho no mo bo hu se na wo ho ahyase se eye wo basabasa obu okra no a wo no adi adanse se first na kotimi gina ne na so ye adwuma pa na ensu esanse abontontom abeka no na wodi malaria parasite egu ni padua mu nti no ene ama wonante kakra bia na wabre oye adwuma kakra bia no wote bre woye adwuma kakra bia na koma body tentem edro ne time herbal mixture wonya bi na wo no mo a woye adwuma kakra bia na wabre wonante kakra bia na wabre no ni nyina ebefri ni padua ne so ama ni padua na fa ne ntoma pa ede fra se malaria eja wutipaye utitimi dwa gaga na wani kosua nyina na eye wo ya sekata na achewo se ohuni mu na efri nsuo time ebebo papa ebeyi tipaye efri ho ebeyi kata bia ede fri ni padua ne so ama ni padua no afa ne ntoma pa de fra malaria eja wawo ohutimi wo so cheche wojo ho ba bia enye me so time about me chade eno ni malaria dro tatahia wonya binom a wode bre etutu malaria nsunsuanso bone no wotu na se ede fri honom ede ama wo etu wa wase ede fri uso no na sabi woni su de bri woni su ne chini wo woni su ye utum no ni nyina so efri wo sanse emoa wa no etridi moa wa no wo mu ho eden wo mu bowra ni padua mu a wo mu didi ni padua ni mu bowra moja mu wo sa fe no mu didi moja ni mu e basa de bia na ma moja na eso ete wo wa na woni su bri woni su chini na woni su eye utum time herbal mixture beboa wo beboa etu malaria parasites na se ade free sabi ni padua ni ade ama e basa na besiesie moja mpo asa de piu so enu tie ni su bidio woni su chini wo woni su ye utum ni nyina ebe free ho time herbal mixture ebusua edro ni bowra ni padua mu a ansa wo yade amfa ma no enye nan ni num enu timpani se wo to bo ba ko de kum num ampempem edro ni time herbal mixture enye na wo pharmacy shop herbal shop chemical shop bebia no wo bowra mu ho aduduo bia wonsa ebetumi aka na no kwasem ni se wononum time herbal mixture na etu woni subidie ase ade free ho no na se bisa obopa ena ya na efono wo enu nso wo tu na se ade free ho obisi ya na mebofono me menum wato mitumi enidi aduane to me yam a na me yam ewo me yam sanfro me time herbal mixture beboa wo ebetu sa haw ni nyina se de free ho no kwasem ni se dro de gu ni padua mu a Iris was simedunum, Ubos and Fifrash Asiana a few. Ubos or Quash as said, Duane, a bass Duane be a winner would be digging now. Now, what's minimum so be brave? What's me Johnson so come a pa? A drony a time hair barbisha, Borani Pedriamoa, a yen moja more juma, a yen tin more juma, yeni Pedriani more juma, who ni Pedrianim, who mojamu, sonny mojaso, ye Fibia, ya diankitin kitibia, a free ni Pedrianim, a ye time hairball misha. Abusia your number no. 0244
41 41
76
76
69
69
0244
0244
41 76 69 me do for one time heba Mr. Aboa ama watumi adidi yie wani so ebiri wa nampo se wanu mu ato wontumi ni di no wutumi adidi no na eboa se ye hunam yaw pa e de free ni padua so e de ama esanse adwumade a eya na ye yenti no dani de bia na ama ya poso na eye ya ye hunam mu na etutu ye gie hu ba bia enye hunam so yo ya e basa wo kokete so kra untumi ena obo se obebunyam saa na ade akye unya time no ma ebeboa wo hunam eye wo ya hunam emu twetwen hunam eye wo mre waposo eye wo ya no ni nyina ebekọ na mpo kokete so untumi na no ni nyina ebefiri ho ubetumi adayie na adepa bi chiwa wasenya hoode mapa ade akọ wadwuma so obi a na setai kyew onsa no nan na asensene ne nsa ne na ye titiriti de bia ne nsa ne nan na asensene unya time no ma ebebo asanse edro ni gu nipadua mu a ebiebie wuntini mu ma moja edi efrisane ye kama efri wutiri so besi wunase time herbal mixture sa wunase atatai wunase peja anampo sa wunase dufu no unya edro we se bi na onoma ebebo papa wunase atatai nyina ebetwetwe bibia be konkan wo nipadua ni mu ya rebie wo nipadua mu bia no time bo wuramu a woyi ni nyina fri nipadua ni esanse edro na ye bibidro krogen ano eden ano enam no kwasem ni se wo bomodi bo wuramu pharmacy shop koto edro bottle ba kope edi kosifie na se wo bobo no nom edi mamia enyo bi na beka se san koto bottle ba ko kan ho wan kasa bo se edro no eye adwuma wo nipadua ni mu kwansoro nkoso kra eye time herbal mixture wo se kaisa time no eye TIME wo ba wo ensebo mu hawo o mensis ni ntimi flow ye ababro so ada kona mienu na atwa obisi me kra me de be se busumi mienu miensa me mu miensa da wa ye nhwehwe mu nyina so on fa fro edro no eye time herbal mixture wo nya bi no ma ebebo wo nua ba wo bebu wunsa afa wo ho adi wo ba wo bu wunsa wa ya se eye wo ya usisi na emu ehwe ana enida ne etete wo time herbal mixture ebebo papa ebedi dwuma ni nyina edi amam wo bebu wunsa afa wo ho adi ya rebi wo kra na busua ne betina fidie so na mamoso enso koto time na ononom ye no na ode bre na otu ya de na se ade afri honom edi amam midofo me se kaisa time no eye TIME eye malaria fever drotatasia eweye mre wesie mu no doctor dia base obia enonom na emmoni padua ho ban entu malaria se emfama time de wonyare no madro ni bi na efaboni padua ho ban efafri ya de fe ne se malaria eho abusua bre na ye be mama ya de so a eno nche se time ye nu ya de no dro ewo ho number e didi dwuma no eye
0244 41 76 69 0244 41 76 69
I don't need time herbal mixture time herbal mixture and in the capsules and you know pharmacy shop ubu rawa do group ya unsa ebetumi aka
okay yeah Daniel Huamba na eba ene anu abo asamo abo atin be twetwenkobo Minister for Chieftaincy Affairs or issue statement over Nanado say order Gonja King say on sorry ansano achiano ni ade. It is creating a whole lot of furore, a whole lot of issues. There are some videos that show say na branch bi yen sase. Enye Nanado.
But the president himself
went to greet the Gonja King. Yaba will try and get you the videos. Na ye ra samaba cha twetwenkobo. I create a whole lot of issues. I be swear say Nanado call hini bi ho bio na oko that palace ko ya aranche bi kwa de osinko be dan say a crowd said hey you and some the doson. You see the issue of chieftaincy and politics niade. And anyway omuye hini obuye hini no. Ya nhwe ya ye de be hadwene. Messi abato we can you obetimi ayo? Can you obetimi aye? E dia na de be born mine no. But at the same time, we also respect our chiefs. So, and this all big didn't 2 minutes to bu obi anim tia. And also there, you want we as antimema. Sir, obi so opposition. O man penny grant me master or barber ye bibi tia. Ah, you be penny. And don't you know, obi a to mago yanade. So me free gonja na matese ese nanado ese mi gonja hini sorry ansa no ache ano a allegedly me bu bafu o te da me kire no but sa na see ya na
some more kind relation to another one we see voter region so see a whole lot of
very good say voter region
and
no there say nanado say get up and no there but the question is should the president also be ordering people to rise up? I don't say we talk that way.
Oh my!
I was all man penny ba. Respect is
it's
what?
Not demanded.
It's not demanded. It's earned. Anami boy.
No.
She said me rabbi be no say one penny dia mami a.
Untimi share such penny dia mami.
I am na be to say social media and others say I say and then Ronaldo or your here no banner to one man. It started with overkai the national anthem issue be.
I need a good time.
This go hine. Eme koye bebre. And a video back by say or say I for this sorry. Sorry
okoye the late Bawana.
Aye. Sorry any ati. You would tia e wo say so man penny enye no kre sa na me hu no. But say no kre a does it lie within his remit to say obi to no sorry a obu fusa de no sorry and also so dey free
oh my media
Ghana yentia say o man pani adwa no enya hini adwa wo you see awura nipa du mu bitirimu
o man na ade ba ko ni say
o man pani adwa enya hini adwa
o man ade ba ko ni say ahini no amanyo no betu ahini
Danka
na no mo da ansa na kwasi broni ba ha be hye this constitution system
am say o man pani adwa no
enya
hini adwa
9 fie nwotwe mfie na nti
so what tiasia wo be di president ebe yo so your hini
ye to aba na ma wo
wonyo hini o
na o ma ya na ye nipa so atwa mpani nipa ya na atwa mpani
o mo
ha adwuno
wa wo keka kire opani
o mo ha adwuno o mo ma aba ni di mpani pa
say ya pakra na wo say nipa no a wo ko order ohini bi so on sorry na president ba no enti onipa na oto no on de onim se wo so sorry edi so on fa buo ni die ma no no beta jano e ewiase nyina be hu se ohini no pra
un fa ni die ma
pani and that's not life within you yeah Daniel Waba
21st clinic aye sciatica expert sciatica no o nerves na wo to ase na fa wo siremu na fa wo nansia be si ase ho no se ho techima eno ene fa ne sciatica na etimi bubu o to ase ka wo se dwe wo sirem wo je ho ba bia enye na no na 21st clinic ba ye adwuma pa wo mu ye ntia baso bo ma gye no Ghana ha ene amono ne enya asem ketewa wo mu gye international awards ahodo wo mu gye local awards ahodo na anu nso na wo mu be the only sciatica research and treatment center in Africa. Bibrim hano ebi ni baby a gise 21st clinic nkwa. Wo mu de bibiduro ene besan ya no masa de machine aka ho. Eya yare sabia yare bia wutimi de ko ne mama de ba ko a wo magidi wo mu pa no. Eye sciatica ena stroke nso de kwa diabetes ne hypertension ne ade ne ade. Ghana ha ba bia wo mu ho. 0540 311 311 0540 311 311 na 21st clinic. Wo mu ye sciatica expert.
Hey, Sewa, me watch you. Me nanu me bisa cry so kwa brochu.
Kwaku, afraid na me beko. Me nkrata krani.
Hey, eni me ma connection ma for den kofosi kredwane ni wenye otche di musa no.
Oh, Express Group adarumenti. Akwento aye for. Opese otu kwan kosua de a. Express Group do beko mind bi to say Canada, US, Australia, UK, and Germany. Say aye to ana se visit nso a. Express Group do beko Dubai, Canada, US, Australia, and Germany. Mo amopese motu kwan koye adwuma nso obetimi de wako Dubai, Qatar, and South Korea. If you also want to take international tests like SAT, IELTS, TOEFL, GRE, GMAT, they can help you pass easily. They can also help you secure a good job in the UK. You should make sure you Kumasi, Asafule Runabout Accra so Omo Carnation First Light, Tema Omo Community 18 Lashibi Girl Filling Station. For more mature for ISO 055 555 0067 and 0249 000448.
If I shall be a mission, dear bag.
Ade, and that's okay.
share me see ba queen why me say.
Bra, said the time herbal mixture. Esia Jimmy ni me fearful. Enya dia ba ko be so ye.
We dey do this ofeni nyina.
Bra, se me ka se me di time herbal mixture ho adansia. Riase nyina ebete menka. Enti se malaria, where do any time herbal mixture?
Enya nko, die na no ato a wontimi ani die no. Where do any time herbal mixture? Edwe enye ma oba wa fafuo. Die wo ma akoda no fo. Enye akoda woni mfie dumienu. Ansa na obeto time herbal mixture edwe ibi no. Hwese wako hospital anasa lab am wo hu se wo achidi malaria ibi ansa.
Ayo se time me TIME. Time herbal mixture. Afi malaria fever bi adani ziva ewo mu no. Ebetua. Ubenya bi ato ewo over the counter medicine sellers. Any herbal shop to do na mu. FDA agi edwadie nkratoi ato.
To be sure, the year for Yadi Chnabrena or my Dimpa Natural Health Clinic, Masidi Jamswa. Now, Kassay for Yadi any IRSA. So, what you are peptic, gastric, duodenal ulcer, acid reflux, GERD, and H. pylori, Dimpa Natural Health Clinic, Ayo Kumasi Dichamso. Then I specialized away for Yadi Erimo, and into the Yanya Abasu body as the best center for the treatment of stomach ulcer cases. You have a variety of products, both foreign and local health. Say, we have no ama no tutu, ama buano, and ama kokona a time. Ama utia we ya, then obi wa ne de no esinachi to say the obi onya accident, and as a bibia koso onachi. Yehwe all chronic cases. Hwehwe Dimpa Natural Health Clinic. Ye wo Dichamso Kumasi Dimpa Natural Health Clinic. Dimpa ayesone ahonya.
Here in Ghana, when it comes to chicken, the good old days are back. Why? Because Boris Beef's Chicken, BBC, is here. Yep, give your family and loved ones Boris Beef's Chicken. Fresh, tasty, delicious. Boris Beef's Chicken is produced right here in Ghana by our cherished poultry farmers with support from the Ministry of Agric. Get whole frozen chicken, gizzard, chicken feet, chicken neck, and chicken liver for those special family meals, buffets, picnics, funerals, and all restaurants. Get Boris Beef's Chicken. It's halal, so everybody can enjoy. Wherever you are, call Boris Beef's Farms hotline 05-444-444-53. Ask for our branch that is closest to you and come get your chicken. Boris Beef's Chicken, BBC, proudly a Fiakoko.
For me mawakwaba eba Ade Herbal Clinic ope ayansabia emprempren nipa dodo na do nani akyerem wo ho na wonya wayaresa na wonmo etiapa na eye Ade Herbal Clinic yade ahodo Ade Herbal Clinic edi hu djuma eye sickle cell epilepsy etwere yade ulcer yemkro typhoid koko oba ene bema opa wo sexual weakness oba na bema wayemre ewo mpam oberima ne bema afon anase ayaketwa fibroid pressure stroke ene STD yade ahodo na eye enisuo ene de ye honhum nyina wo de bedom Ade Herbal Clinic a wonmo ebedi djuma asa yade ama ho ato eba abefo kwan so a ye fa so esa yade ahodo a ne nyina so ye bi ewo Ade Herbal Clinic wo hwehwe Ade Herbal Clinic akira kwan a ye wo kano so apatrapa new site ewo Kumasi wobetumi so afre ahomatrofo 0243 345 392
ye hu and obi di yare ato abrabo so amesebra Ade Herbal Clinic rebbo Abeba Matsia Kanoso
From our clean water tanks, water which is rich with natural minerals, sourced from over 100 meters underground, is taken through purification, where our highly skilled personnel, equipped with the modern state-of-the-art laboratory, run all standard tests to ensure that purity is 100%. Because at Obibini Blackman Company Limited, quality is our hallmark. Bottling continues immediately in a clean and hygienic environment approved by the Ghana Food and Drugs Authority, because water is life, but unclean water is definitely not life. After years of research into water purification systems, the result is water that can compete with any other on the international market. Stay healthy and hydrated with the new Zet Natural Mineral Water.
Okay, welcome back. Medie na enano pay. Ye ka yasem no mame enhyasie emfam free Asante Mantem, specifically Ejoso fo a mo eto abane mo amukọ elections ni nyina anopay ye bieful needs no Asante region bankamenya Ejoso fo dodo na amfre na bo Asante Mantem ha na pese o ka wasem a ekwan no abie ubetumi ayedai akawasem
binu undi me pacha sem kawasem binu undi me pacha sem kawasem otebuafo o mi buaken kawasem
ye free Asante regional ye be ko Greater Accra East voter oti o Asante Mantem a ye ntie o. Hello, good morning.
Good morning, Uncle Mike.
Acho hwanye
Uncle Mike, Midiane Lord, me do have a banti mabato mpeso.
Lord kawasem
Uncle Mike na enranso ye mo Joso for abaso power adwumaso a wo mudiye. Ni nyina mo no NPP na ewini nti ye sho mo nyina nkuran. Na Uncle Mike wunim se Honorable Francis Asenso Boakye de da bia me ka tell se wo ye MP mu Pro Max. Se iPhone de America to na no ni Pro Max.
Pro Max.
Man DMP a mattress MP ya kono wa Asante Mantem no my Ghana ati. Na Uncle Mike would wani chire mu hwimne ne potem wo sa bridge na wo ye. Said your contractor no was ye ano. Is it was stretch ya ko barekete wu. Na ama wo ko no ma said your musi body you at and so Boakye eso no niwa. Uncle my ebre bia obehia Honorable Francis Asenso Boakye no. E ya ka chen say Lord say woman more careful.
Me da say. Hello, good morning.
Good morning, Uncle man.
Pacho hwanye
Pacho from na na kokodu me ka se fro Boakye.
Nana kawasem anopay.
Nana no pay interview bia na bi national organizer na sanana kase unim se omu chase kebu ha na MPP for sabi ntro kakra wo ho no because okay se panini the organization
wangase onimo o se o ebi okọ ebi na omu chase kana video na make no anope no obehwe
okay I stand to be corrected
also obehwe
second ntro person saying in a video says circulate social media bad.
Asa no pay me yi ni nyina ma obi ahwebi.
O ma me tehu fiti say so kotam tie news we no hwebia no ma nya time ma verse anyam ni nyina. No pe wa kwadawro ma menya ni nyina na sisi no ni nyina fi delegation na akoso Saturday 19 say yes so December 7th no. Yeni no bia wa ma iska me magiska no men koto but to the mabusum bia nkame me tre fruit of thought nyame nkame na kwa diska no na mento o ma mi da papa amenka ho.
Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Pacho hwanye.
Yeah, how are you doing?
I'm doing great.
Yes, my name is Honorable Kofi Dubai. I'm calling from Kenya. How are you?
I'm doing great. Kofi Dubai.
Yeah, I see you check out.
Now, you see me, Chair. Kofi say it's been a long time. Don't say I see you, Chair.
Yeah.
Kofi Kasa.
Yeah, I'm not your phone. I tell you about the
Mate.
Yeah. I can't make a check. You know that this is what I say. Lawyer, Boakye. I see that in 20 PP. Incoming president, Dr. Mahmoud Gomia, I don't know executive, national executive, branch executive, police executive. I didn't national executive that she could have a power. Okuko, let the much cinema thing down there on Saturday there. And you know, I just go, Unyano. I keep your baby at the cashier and your mom, my Ghana. If you are here, why are you quality education? You do because every piano. Why do they say I can't be out of school? When you're very intelligent, I go from the course I was saying. As we not talk like this, obviously, I'm about to come before. I can show you, oh my God, yes, show me a measure. And no education now, I've done any time, education minister. You better say, I think before any of my dinner question,
thank you, Kofi Nipano Dawson. Hello, good morning. Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Mame nkwa homano so na mini nkomomra. Mame ne honorable Asamoah Boateng enjoche nkomo. Honorable Boakye.
Me do so mbaga wani bright bi na wani.
Omanhene Yaw Boakye.
Omanhene mbom te say.
Nyame na dom na wonso e.
Nyame na dawroma me hoye pa.
Echefo ne ahwefo minister chieftaincy minister na anopa me ne twetwe nkomo. Wadawroma ensem bi koso a ediam free radio so ne kasa so se danada kwakufa do kopie mu o gonja memu na okocha ya bongura yese danado akase gonja bongura ansori ansana wapejane wabechia no ama akoye nsempi wadawroma anopa na hu behia se no bedi nkomo asem na te se pa
yo me do ase ni chia omo a omuti ne amanfo a omo show so sa asem ya be me na mo want to say me kubi enu tsasunti na me statement ya emo hunu bi wa bonte no me no man pani anopa ne yeko hinia kuma kwabna kwache ne belia service for court status na yeah Daniel wo mi se mo bi we inu o se ko na ka ho da mongo ka ho enti ko tie ho indeed ye ko ye no ye chia me na me di nanim ya wa ye ma me ko chia ye no wo jamachi ko na wa ye ma na penifo no tete fam ho bebre ti no se atuobo ti wo do jina ho twene me ye na me dan ho no odi wo na nanim odi nanim we sere was or so coachae and I'm doing a chair no buy and I didn't coachia a gabono a chairperson no here a Omanhene free a traditional area no koye.
Okay.
Man who so man penny catch will be so sorry. Man man subu. No we were in a close area. A yabu atwa me cha no me no sense here me dan ho man penny so nya kwaya no so coachia no. Enti me asa no na mo na video no but me how I would because of man penny in short here. So obi no di na nim because answer na nim dey do or na minister regional minister na party chairman for our more regional di nim kai. Enti na protocol for should be nim ko ampo asa na yaba. Enti so obi di na no man penny man penny enti na man issue statement na my statement no so me take advantage at the kasa kakra ni futu ni akwankyere ya mamre mu eni ya tradition kakra e de tuda na sabi o ina niya ya tu empanidie ina ya ti krumi obi pani baba bi kwa na wo ti akodo so ya branch na ono abaleti mba wo sori ma tase e empanidie e ebu sabi ya kwa yase Ohi bi ba obi kwa no onye Omanhene na yen kwa o mu di animu mo sorry na na bo abete munyi abete ye ti da wo mo so dima wo tete o ma ebu ba oyi Ohi no anase pani nanim na wo no de sa obi na koye ya meti ase se bi amufi se no se nya ya na he na ejai but me feel say a part of your culture opani ba yes sorry in fact o man pani part kitchen na about but there's a difference between what Bawa Hinfi. I said the whole book or not so about Hinfi. And then what Bawa power sorry. But me your back in a Masarama. Me or in a Masari, no much from putting a sick. But so what sorry should about Chawa. There's nothing wrong with that. And so I be the castle also, and you're one in the year fight. So your mind, what could you see? What you may be on sales about what about you give no respect. And so I'm taking advantage each year at conscience.
That video na share cry, Nana Done, Yabongura crash.
Exactly. I was saying, you never be our castle. Sorry, my video.
Me, one baby, I same way or say a train, say, I am a no crown video be about almost the other count say.
Your politics, they be no more. You know, I myself, my mom for sending WhatsApp. What I'm saying is, you are more the other side. What I'm saying, I'm a politics, you know, our politics, you know, I said, your tradition, your culture, your now, about Penia Bawa, na mo fi se bonu akufo ado won tokwa ma mo fa ko wa bra atem no so ansie enti I feel na ba ko ka jem so o ko ye bi o be na se fa no bra bi ko mi hu previous one bi na so hu so no ka so se ai na so fa bra up to anopa mi hu no ti sa wa ni bi ama me hwe but say na me ka no ye protocol for no mu ya na se mo fi se ana se yo so ya se so ya kwala en ja ba ni ma so ma pe ni ku fo ba so ti en na ye tumi hu na me fi ayi so you bet me be hon ko se chale mu yai enye hwe obi ba so ya won so enye hwe yenko yebu beto so mu a na won so ya enye hwe yenko we can do that kind of training among ourselves but I guess a political attack be and na mo de chicho man penina obi akola te ko nya bi ya social media mo say no body ni dia mo try to organize all
right so what me da say okay the video ya mo share the TV su ye Abraham na do copy honomo na okochia ye ya bonwura na mu kra no woni na do sere wo share TV ya hwe video yi one na do sere ama owie ya ahemfo woni nchen kwara na do awefi omo eko he asante ebo a
oman
hwe video yi bi
sana na me
wo dey play mo fan kwa chire
video
kwa chire kakra aha member of parliament for Damango
and the minister of natural resources
lands and natural resources and no signal another say emra bete obetimi akọ enti okwa akochia no abrante na no ba ayi no so akoka che ya bonwura se na pese obechia no
se kwa
na do koi she one ya bonwura akra no she ya bonwura nim sidie abufuo nim the one in Chawi ahemfo wo nyina wa we fi wo mo emrante no kra nsusu e dey enti encha no mo na am say enkomodie bi ni ade ekos
na san komo no kra obi antimi
so we what is all this
ade ba ko ni say oman sa minister no ai
go ba ku bi esi e so voter region voter region dey no mu show eno na do bodyguard no yo hini wo enkrai no Ona na catch like omo to so mo sorry. What was area how cry from say?
Fadama na Accra na wakana.
Enkrai. Oyo hini wo ho.
Sa ahimfasa o de gbokru bi e be ho be.
Circle.
Aha.
O ko Ade Akye
GB side wona na.
There be free circle.
Aha.
Now through interchange you know. Right after interchange you know. E krona won chase
o ka say high tafo oh o de woni a kire kwalibu side ho no o de woni a kire kwalibu
kwani o do akire oh
fadama na
dabi enye fadama e ben
sa de ho de ko komle le de
o fra ho no ma
o de ye be kai
o ra mo ho no ma o to see ayi Perez
oh
now o ko
abelimpi the beginning
oh a common place
o ma o de ye be kai
oyo hine wo ho sa abrante kokot tim ona ye hine wo sa community wo mo wan say
ba o ma the na me can say
wait na
there's nothing like blood
I dey chere say
o ma abuginapo under no circumstance obetra was said na do sabi umfa nehene
because
no he will never
no please opposition ni ade nya no ko ya bowura nche ebe de no akeka che ya bowura say ono banti ya bowura sorry
o my ade ba kro say we video ya enye ya bowura nkwa na sorry o nim panifo atwa no nyina bia no sorry video dear
not one of them got up and I don't think it was a problem say oh man sorry
they're not the reason alarm
only
I don't think so.
Why do we make issues out of nothing for political expediency? At the end of the day Dr. Mamba will free
everyone but him
I want to flee and see at the end of the day not quite to say oh please
say mahama munyina komampene da mahama ko munyina ko I mean and say
we see we emfa
yabonwura se onye omaketwa ohine ketwa sa
obede say yabonwura aso be issue statement
o my dey say omo no
say yabonwura so no need to do man. Or above we. This is what people don't know. Yabongura, Ghana, I am for overlords 9 or come. Over something you did. Yabongura can one of the 9 constitution recognize you or come. It was about politics. Over to Dumba, Donja Hinena, Nana Dumeya president. What are you people making it look like? The Bia Namo Pesamodia in Fubia, Omumo Drono, Modi near me Frafra Omo. Me voter region, dear me, Omoya Oma in Funusonia. It was wrong. Oma Mochera Nado Wasiano, Sao Hino. Oh, Brady said, Creeper, more can't cry. Baby, kiss me one. Only offer Hono now, Corona Hono. Emi yapa. Ona yo hini wo. Na na do abrantie kokot no. The palace grassy bridge no so. So akai. A common place I been call be gratitude.
Yeah.
Enya abeno. Now so
Alajo. Mitwa.
Thank you. Ona wait. Oba wait. The okacho so sorry no. On the Alajo hini. Na na do so kacho so sorry. It was not nice, sir, or President Soba, Alajo. It's here, President Grasso Catcher, he is so sorry. Because it was wrong, so he also so on your Paramount Chief Kasebi, Nanado about you. It was wrong.
I'm getting afraid of who's a move.
You Alajo, he knew, Alajo, he knew, Sir Abranti, or also your hinny. And he felt, sir,
and come here, I'm sorry.
Yeah. Or he need to ho. Nanado say ti remember the chair what to ho. And your kind. And you would have share. Nanado kind. Would have share. Or the Shannon Sano. Was so sorry. Me Baba chair what to ho. Sorry. And it was wrong. I didn't know Nanado by chair also.
Say I was so sorry. It's a Sabian and Nanado from Penny Bia.
Bia also did the dear mano. But Nanado to make a country. Koja he Yabongura say, me Baba child to sorry. What to be that? But Nanado fell say that chief sitting down was not on here all by horse already. Or Trassi. It's what you also say. Maybe Baba child to what the heck? Sorry, me Baba child or can't I know Uncle sorry. But it's right. And you're fair.
But on my soul, your henna, also who said, baby, I am fortunate, yes, you did the picture.
I remember on your summer road team. I'm on your summer road team, I could critique controversy. Eh, Orchia, now to her. Or sent to me about a child to her.
I don't know one transit.
I don't know, kind of one transit. No money buffy, and you're fair. Yeah, sorry, maybe about a child to her. Sorry.
2 times, sorry.
We are one channel. I don't know, do this, you know. Yeah.
Oh my.
Well, I mean, never do a
in Pennyfossy, you need the muddy, and
it's also a penny deal. And now I don't feel president, it lies in your mouth, say, over catch and say, maybe child, sorry. And we are creating problems in any idea. But what catch no? So what then? I may be chawa.
Okay, on my going forward, no. So I am fully being and another bound by so we who I am fully in this year. The impeccable because the point is that Nana ba. You be say only mama and shama casisi. But he was something region so who na one I saw sorry. They make a match as
yes.
And to know say win say. Because I am for Chimini the BH. When you go out in Sabio, we are Henny the answers and another bound him can say, oh, sorry. And you can say one another because sorry answer no sorry.
And I didn't cry. Nanado Baba Trasia and no crowd different too. But oh,
Chianaco.
Put your jump said them cry. You rise. Now, Minister be creating bow, he knows sorry. No man, I will to an hour channel. No man, penny more.
Especially on Mampenny Asma will be on Mampenny Asma be Ombrano. If I say Mampenina a day, the Mampenny be I saw the man.
Doctor, Balm of Gilead for Atlas, Yentwin Common Afe, Yentuaso.
Bishop Medas,
Bibi Aboko, that Obadi Asi. Medasia, and all day in Manibi. Mammy Joe.
Medas, we bring an open so with the Yamia Sisawadi and Action. Inchia Kesiapa na yɛde free Balm of Gilead clinic and then yɛahwɛfoɔ ne etiefoɔ nyinaa anɔpɛ before that no mepɛ sɛ mede yɛ number no to dwa ɛyɛ na most of the time no me teach a na me yɛ number koraa me refi nti mepɛ sɛ me bobɔ so that obi betumi akapcha na ɛkɔba sɛ me ntimi amobo bi mu ana wafa Pacho obetuma frɛ ɛwɔ 0593
02
56
79
0593 02 56 79 and I said 0509 55 46 05 into offer MTN and Vodafone ya Balm of Gilead ya the cabin MTN phone echo ne Ejija hotel anes ene opposite
okay
and pay ya this no ye pese ye kasafa peptic ulcer
okay
ye kasa peptica it means say a digestion ye hwe ekura eto ye digestive tract no emu ekuro de etimi to be bia woni pedua no eho na mom ye hu say emprempren enkofo bebre e treat peptic ulcer in such a way say wawo edro so for 1 year 2 years more than 5 years but still no ya really gina baby a gina na over Balm of Gilead the man in unique and say government hospitals pharmacists and medical doctors emma in conform peptic ulcer etimi eba e homa within a week or two yamanu efri hono mu a emebiem de ntia yamanu efri ho a emebiem na mechichi mu yakasa peptic ulcer eyekura eto ewon yen digestive tract ni mu a start free yano na akwa kopie ewo yento aduane bia wudi a yefre bibi motility aduane ne nante abra wo wesa na secretion of enzyme na digest emu bubu na absorption take place whereby absorption take place aduane ne dikan eba yemu jani na glucose no atravel ama cells na ye nkwamu ano omodi na ade ba akwa ye hu ni say ubenya peptic ulcer bia etai eto eyewo esophagus no mu eye omini nemu ana se onso no ketwa na eye odionum no esro ho ana se oyefunu mu a eye wo gastric area ana se o stomach no na se wo pese uhu ne ede peptic ulcer eba aboa ketwa bi a yemfa ye ni hu na tise microscope ye fe no Helicobacter pylori we H pylori onu na ye main causative agent a odeba na mom no commonly no ade etade peptic ulcer so ba paaye anti-inflammatory drugs bi say pain relievers a ebia obinemensisema ni tie ne ya ne kotodwe wantimi anaye ne hoye ne basa wobon say offer pain relievers the more offer pain relievers no ade bi wo adwene ni mu a ye fe ne prostaglandins eno na buama enkwamo a release acid hydrochloric acid eba uyemne no so boa for digestion no eboa ema ade no balance a emolo so but the moment a unum painkillers no ema acid production no eye bebre benipa nso oti ho said okonda se obedidi ana se ade wei unhia ko mu kura keka ubenwane se ade ekoso ni pedem no nkasa bi koso ubon se acid na release mi wanu unidi ye enu ntia be stress ma mo ye aduane ma mo ye ema ne emema mo ye nuane a mu hia ami unwie no na aduane ne krampo no okonno no se one hwe ya obetimi aba benya peptic ulcer na one of the complications are unya peptic ulcer na we treat ya for be 1 year 2 years 5 years na enkoye edaso sonson wa na it means say onkoye biopsy and I said histopathology no obehun say waba benya gastric cancer and I said colon cancer na adia ya main part the main time pe any endoscopy a yɛyɛ